Let us understand how pointers are implemented in the C language. The C language uses operators, a constant and a type def to implement pointers. They are asterisk, ampersand, size of, null, and size underscore t. Null and size underscore t are mostly used when performing memory allocations. The constant null is a pointer that does not hold any address. Size underscore t is the byte count. These three are operators. The size of operator, which is in fact a keyword, returns the number of bytes used by a variable in memory. Ampersand is the address of operator that represents the address of a variable in memory. And asterisk operator is used to represent a pointer that holds the address of a variable. Let us see an example. So let us write a C program to print the address and size of an integer variable. So let's get started by including the standard C library. So hash include stdio.h, and then let us write the main function int main. So since main is an integer function, let us return an integer. So let us return 0 and declare an integer variable int x and assign it with a value, say 10. Let us then print the value of x. So print x. So within the placeholder, let us have %d. So %d slash n comma x. Similarly, let us now print the address of x. So to print the address of x, we make use of the operator ampersand. So ampersand x. And then within the placeholder, we specify %p to print the address. So %p slash n. Alright. And finally, let us print the size of x by calling the size of operator, size of x. And for the size of x within the placeholder, let us make use of %lu slash n. %lu meaning long unsigned integer. Alright. So in this program, we have an integer variable x with the value 10, and we are printing the value of x and the address of x using the ampersand operator, and printing the size of the variable x using size of operator. So let us build and run this code. gcc filename ./a.out. So we can see the value of x 10 and the address in hexadecimal format and the size of the variable x in bytes. Alright, now let us modify this so that we print the value of x and its address indirectly using a pointer. So in line 8, let us create a integer pointer and name it as px, and initialize the pointer to hold the address of x. So px equal to ampersand x. Alright. Now let us comment this line and print the value of x now, but this time using the pointer notation. So asterisk px. So using the asterisk operator, we can print the value at the address. So asterisk px will print the value at the address x, which is 10. Alright. And then let us comment this line and print the address x without using the asterisk notation. So we can just say px. So when we use the asterisk notation, we print the value at the address, and without using the asterisk notation, we just print the address. Alright, we have an error here in line 11. That is because within the placeholder, let us, placeholder is %d here, but placeholder here is %p, but still we have an error. Expected semicolon. Yeah, we need to have a semicolon in line 9. Alright, so that error is gone. Let us build and run this code. GCC file name and then ./a.out. We see 10, which is the value of x, and then the address and the size of x. But this time the value is printed using the pointer notation and also the address. Alright. So guys, the operators asterisk, ampersand and size of and the constant null and the type def size underscore t are used internally by the C language to implement pointers. Thank you.